Hello and welcome. In the previous video, I showed you how to use the map search and the different tools that this search offers. And this one's just going to be a brief video. I want to show you some more about the layers that are available for the map. So to access the layers, you just click on this icon here that says layers, and then some of the layers that you might find very useful for certain searches are things like school boundaries. So I want to show you how that looks. So for example, if we were to select the middle school boundaries, then it gives you an overlay on the map with the schools and the boundaries and the names of the schools. So if you have a customer that wants a particular school or anything like that, you can do that, and you can add let's say high school to it so they can overlay each other. And then you also have the points of interest, which if you zoom in closer, you can select those, which give you let's see, yeah, so arts, entertainment, banking, education, fire, police, food, dining, gas station, healthcare, and so on. So you can apply those as well, and I just want to show you what that looks like. So for healthcare, just going to show you the icons here. And then other things you can also add is, for example, you can do neighborhood. So if you have somebody look in a particular neighborhood, that can be also very useful. And then there's some other tools like parcel characteristics, where you can, for example, look up building areas for a certain lot. You can also have it show you how many bedrooms and bathrooms a property has. I mean, it's not always exactly accurate, and it's not applicable to all of them, but it just gives you an idea of what you can look for in the layers. And then one more tool I want to show you real quick is, I showed you how to draw the different boundaries, but there's also freehand polygon. I just want to show you how that works. Basically, it allows you to draw any shape you like without having any particular points. So I can draw an exact polygon this way. So anyway, that will conclude this video, and in the next video number 7, we're gonna look into setting up the additional fields and how to create more custom searches. So thank you for watching.
Succeed with Access USA Realty.